Good morning and welcome all again. Today we will take the next part in fractions and we will talk about right equivalent fraction. In the previous class we say that equivalent fraction are two different fractions that have the same value. You can find the equivalent fraction by multiplying the numerator and denominator by the same number. Okay. Now we have the next example. Write the fraction for the shaded part of each shape, then match the shape that are equivalent fraction. Now we want first write the fraction of the shaded part, and the second step we will match the shapes that are equivalent fraction. The first fraction here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shaded part, shaded by green, and all parts equals 8. So we have 6 over 8 or 6 eighths. The second shape here we have 3 shaded parts, and all parts equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 equals 8, 3 over 8 or 3/8. And the next figure we have 2 shaded parts and all parts equals 4. So the result here equals 2 over 4. Or 2/4. 2/4. Who can help me in the next shape?
Me, teacher.
Me,
teacher, please.
Okay, Abdurrahman, let's begin.
1/4. Shaded part 1 and all part 4.
Only one part is shaded, so we can write 1 over all part equals 4.
4.
We can say that 1/4 or quarter or 1/4. Fars الجردان.
Yes, teacher. Here the shaded parts are 6 and all parts are 16.
Okay, we have here 6 shaded parts. All parts equals
16.
let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 8 equals 16. That's right. First, Sharani.
Yes, teacher.
Help me in the next example here.
Okay. 4/8.
4 shaded parts and all parts equals 8. So the result is 4/8 or 4/8.
4/8.
Okay, Musab. Musab.
Yes, teacher.
Hello, Musab.
Yes,
Help me
yes,
the next figure here. How many parts
2.
are shaded?
2.
We have 2 parts shaded here. And all parts equals how many?
8.
8 parts. That's right. Very good. Ahmed Al-Anizi. Ahmed,
Yeah, teacher.
how many parts here are shaded?
4.
We have 1, 2, 3. Not 4.
But
We have 3
by 4.
shaded board. Okay, all parts equals what?
4.
Equals. Okay, that's right. Very good. And now the second part from the question, match the shapes that are equivalent fraction. In the first shape, we have 6/8. And when we search about the equivalent fraction here, we will know that 6/8 equals 3/4. Because when I simplify this fraction by 2, 6 divide 2 equals 3, and 8 divide 2 equals 4. So 6/8 equals 3/4. Who can help me in the next shape? 3/8. Abdullah Al-Harbi.
Yes.
3/8. What was the equivalent fraction here?
Uh, uh, 6 of 16.
That's right. Excellent. And now, when I divide the numerator and denominator, divide 2, 6 divide 2 equals 3, and 16 divide 2 equals 8. So we can say that 3/8 equals 6/16.
Me, teacher. Me.
Abdurrahman. Okay. 2/4 equals what here?
4/8.
4/8. 4/8, when we simplify it and divide it by 2, 4 divide 2 equals 2, 8 divide 2 equals 4, so 2/4 equals 4/8. Okay, now we have the last shape, 1/4 equals 2/8. Now we have another part, fractions subtraction. Solve the subtraction to find the name of a famous symbol of London after you subtract each set of fractions. Match their answer to the correct letter in the box. Then write the letter in the numbered blank below. Okay, this is an example. Okay, but here we note that he say when the fraction have the same denominator, when the fraction have the same denominator, okay, only subtract the numerators. The denominator stay the same. So when I say that 2/6 minus 1/6, here we have the same denominator. The denominator stays the same, and we find the result of 2 minus 1. So I will write 2 minus 1 equals 1, and the result is 2 over 6 minus 1 over 6 equals 1 over 6. Let's take the example here. In the first question, 4 over 9 minus 3 over 9. Here we have the same numerator. So we will write here 9 in the same denominator. We will write 9. And we will find the result of 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 equals 1. Number 2, we have 5 over 6 minus 2 over 6. We have the same denominator. So we will write 6 here. And we will find the result. 5 minus 2 equals 3. Number 3, we have 12. So I will write here 12, and 8 minus 1 equals 7, and so on. Okay, now I will take someone to help me. Hussam Sarhani. Hussam?
Yes, teacher.
Hussam, help me in the example number 3. We have 4 over 5 minus 2 over 5 equals how many?
Equals 2 over 5.
Equals 2 over 5. That's right. We have the same denominator, so we'll write here 5. 4 minus 2 equals 2. That's right. Thank you, Sam. Ali Sidiri. Ali. Ali. Okay, we can take Yazid. Yazid. Abdullah Harbi.
Yes.
Hello. Help me in the number 5. 6 over 7 minus 3 over 7.
Okay. 6 minus 3 equals 3.
Equals 3.
And the 7 we would.
We have the same denominator, so we will write 7 under 3. Okay, thank you, that's right. Abdurrahman, help me in number 6.
Yes, teacher. Number 6. 9 minus 5 equals 4 over 10.
That's right. 9 minus 5 equals 4.
Over
And
10.
4 will be over 10. Because we have the denominator stay the same. Okay, Faris al-Shahrani, number 7.
Yes,
Faris.
teacher. Yes.
Okay, help me in number 6 first.
7 minus 5 equals 2.
We have 7 minus 5 equals 2. The numerator. The denominator is what?
Same.
Equals 9. The same denominator. That's right.
Can I,
Very
teacher?
good. Okay.
3 minus 2 equals 1. The
Denominator.
denominator the same equals 4.
equals. That's right. Very good. Okay. Can help me. Faris Al-Jardan.
Yes, teacher. 10 minus 5 equals 5 over 13.
13. That's right. Very good. Abdurrahman.
Yes, teacher. 5 minus 4 equals 4 over 7.
5 minus what?
Minus 1.
Minus 1. Okay. 5 minus 1 equals 4 and 7.
Me, teacher.
Okay. Let's begin.
12 minus 9, 3
3.
over 50.
That's right. Okay. From the title here, he say that solve the fraction to find the name of a famous symbol of London. Okay. We have a table here. Every number equals symbols there. 1 over 9 is T. So here T. And number 2, 3 over 6 will be O. 3 over 6 O. And the next 7 over 12 equals W here. W, 7 over 12. We have 2 over 5. 2 over 5 E. From here, E 2 over 5. And now 3 over 7 R. 3 over 7 here. Car. 6, 4 over 10 P. B. 4 over 10. Here we have 4 over 10. And number 7, 2 over 9. 2 over 9 are like number 5. 3, 8, 1 over 4, 1 over 4 I. This 1 over 4 here, I. 5 over 30, D. D here, 5 over 30. And 4 over 7, G. 4 over 7. And the last 3 over 15, E. Like 3 over 15 E here. Okay, now what the famous symbol of London? Who can say?
Yes, teacher.
The Rahman, okay.
Yes.
Can you say what the famous symbol of London here?
Two where?
Tower.
Tower. إيش هذا اللي في رقم 8 تي هذه؟
Okay, I write it here. Tower Bridge. Tower Bridge. we will write this here. T O W E R tower, and the next part P R I D J E. That's enough now. Thank you for all.